In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to enhance your BOA microphone. Let's get right to it. This is test 1 without the enhancement. The chessboard is a perfect 8x8 grid composed of 32 white and 32 black squares. This is test 2 with the audio voice meter enhancement. The chessboard is a perfect 8x8 grid composed of 32 white and 32 black squares. As you heard, the difference is night and day without a doubt, which is the microphone without the audio voice meter. It is louder, fuller, with bass, and crisp. I will leave directions on how to download the software in the video description below, as I know many of you will already know how to download software. However, I will show you when you download the VB cable driver pack, make sure that you have the correct setup. In this case, I have 64-bit Windows, so I'll be choosing this one. And also run it as administration mode or else it won't open. Also, don't be alarmed when you reboot your machine and your VB audio virtual cable has controlled your audio. That's by default. Just change it back to your original microphone. In this case, I'll go back to my Yeti microphone. Just for this video, but you can swap anytime you like. Now let's get to the good stuff. Go into Control Panel, go into Hardware and Sound, then select and highlight Manage Audio Devices. This will pull up another window, the sound window. Click on Recording tab and select Microphone Array. This is the BOA microphone. Then go to Properties. And to make this easier in the future, rename it to BOA microphone. Then click Apply. And then go to the Levels tab and make sure we have this set to 100. And then click OK. Now let's move on to VoiceMeeter. There's a couple of settings we need to change here. You can see it's starting up here on the right. We need to change its audibility to 3.0, the fade gain to 2.5, negative 2.5. Click on stereo repeat. And then on hardware out, want to make sure this is set to MME cable input audio virtual. And on the left, we want to make sure it says BOA microphone. And that's pretty much it. You'll see the levels changing as I'm speaking. We also want to make the adjustments here on the left here, this slider. You could add echo or lower bass. I usually tend to leave it in the middle. Now to make this run seamlessly for future use, you can make the BOA microphone and voice meter output as your default recorders. You just have to make them default communication devices in your sound properties and then hit OK. So whether you're doing live streams or recording, you won't have to keep changing these settings. Finally, we're going to go to Audacity. Audacity is a free, that's right, free open source cross-platform audio software, which means it runs on Macintosh and Windows 32 and 64-bit. Here I'll be clicking on download, and once again I'll click on the 64-bit extract. You can download it on your desktop or just leave it in your download folders. Basically just click next the whole process, and then we'll go ahead and hit install. And then finish, and that completes the whole process. A few more clicks of OK and OK, and that'll get you on your desktop. Now, I've already showed you the results from the beginning of this video, but I will leave my edits here so it'll save me some time from stopping the video and scrolling to the beginning. I do want to mention emphatically that it's common knowledge that editors with bad video is forgivable, but streamers and video editors with bad audio is not. This is test 1 without the enhancement. The chessboard is a perfect 8x8 grid composed of 32 white and 32 black squares. That completes my tutorial on how to make your BOA microphone sound professional, crisp, and studio quality. I'll see you in the next video. This is test 2 with the audio voice meter enhancement. The chessboard is a perfect 8x8 grid composed of 32 white and 32 black squares.